In this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can use a FileMaker solution to integrate with the Australia Post API to automate a lot of the common business workflows around creating shipments, printing shipping labels and lodging orders with Australia Post. So here's my simple FileMaker solution. I've put in the from address, our company address. We've got some dispatch date and some reference fields at the top here, and I've got my address fields for who this is going to. So it's going to Peter Parker at Parker's Plants, and I need to enter the address. So I could just enter this manually, or if I'm not sure what the address is, I've got a little demonstration of using a online address search that you're probably familiar with when doing your own online orders. So I can just start typing in some of the address here. So I'm going to just put in 45 Tennyson Avenue, Turramurra, and I can see there's my first match. It's Australia, so I want to choose that one, and that's then gone and populated my address, so I don't have to manually enter the address, and that eliminates any sort of common data entry errors when putting addresses. So this is my sort of order on my invoice. I've already got my items here, and this drop-down menu is my list of Australia Post product IDs. So this is a domestic shipment, so I'm just doing parcel post. Okay, so I think I've got everything I need to create my domestic shipment. So let's click the upload domestic shipment button, and that's been successfully uploaded to the Australia Post API. You can see it's come back with lots of details about the shipment. I've got my shipment ID, which I'm going to use for a few other tasks shortly, and it's given me some estimates of the total cost and the breakdown and any other surcharges and so on. So at this point I then need to request a label, because I need to print that label and stick it on my parcels. So I'm going to go and I can choose either the PDF or the Zebra ZPL language. I've got a Zebra compatible printer, and I'm just going to click request label, and that's going to go and generate a label, and I've chosen PDF, so here's the PDF in my container field. So I've got a couple of labels I can then use to print off on my label printer. And at this point I could then go and create any other shipments I need for the day, and once I've created all the shipments I can then create an order. So an order is basically just a summary of all the shipments that you've already uploaded, which you typically do once a day, and that's created my order, and I've got my Australia Post order ID, and at this point I can then go and download my order summary, which is like my manifest of all the shipments for that order, and then either lodge these with Australia Post or they'll come and collect them from us. So that's how easy it is to integrate a FileMaker solution with the Australia Post API to automate a lot of the business workflows around shipments and tracking.